उपस्थित जनसमूह विस्मित है, आह्लादित है, रोमांचित है, प्रसन्न है भारत की इस वायु शक्ति का अवलोकन करके। अमृत फॉर्मेशन के बाद अब बारी होगी वज्रांग फॉर्मेशन की।
Six Rafale, omnipotent fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one could say that even the winds along the Kartavya path have stopped to stare at these Rafales. Six Rafale fighter aircraft flying majestically above the air, formation led by squadron leader Amol Garg, squadron leader Mihir Vivek Chaudhary, squadron leader Sarthak Kumar, squadron leader Mohit Tyagi, squadron leader Arun Athare, and squadron leader Sivangi Singh, all from 17th Squadron.
17 स्क्वाड्रन जिसका आदर्श वाक्य उदयम अस्त्रम, 6 राफेल विमान हवा में विलीन होते हुए।
And now the audience thrilled to welcome the last but second in the series. We have the Trishul formation.
त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन में 3 Su-30 विमान विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे। 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से त्रिशूल भगवान शिव का अस्त्र है और बुराई के अंतर का, दुश्मन के संहार का परिचायक।
Formation led today by Group Captain Manish Arora, Shaurya Chakra. Other members in the formation are Wing Commander Kunal Kalra and Wing Commander Abhimanyu Singh, all from 15th Squadron, all Lancers. And there you can see the Trishul formation comprising 3 Sukhoi 30 MKI air dominance fighter aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour.
3 Su-30 विमान जिनका विजय नाद सुनकर रोमांच महसूस किया जा सकता है, हवा में विलीन होते हुए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए।
Having pulled up, watch the leader going further up and the wingmen spitting to cast a trishul or a trident up in the air. Formation led by Group Captain Manish Arora.
और अब रोमांच की पराकाष्ठा, विजय फॉर्मेशन। एक राफेल 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से उड़ान भरते हुए 300 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर कर्तव्य पथ के वाटर चैनल पर नजर आएगा। सांसें थाम कर रखिए अपनी।
And in command of Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi, along with Flight Lieutenant Sona, here comes the single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers per hour. All set to touch the sky with glory as he will execute the victory roll over Kartavya Path today. Known as the Falcons of Champ and Aknoor, flying with their motto, Anbhishya Bhedi or Seek to Destroy. That's Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi. Climbing up, carrying out the victory roll, and finally will disappear into the blue yonder, signifying the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabha Sprisham Deeptam.
Absolutely. Glory in the sky, touching the sky with glory. Historically, we know fly past have a special affinity with parades and form their aerial component. And today, here, the absolutely captivating fly pasts shown specially for you through our specially placed cameras. And what a glorious day for a glorious fly past. Lovely sunny day, a gorgeous blue sky, the framework, and here we are, having witnessed the grand finale of our 76th Republic Day celebrations. Well, we can see exhilaration and excitement of the parade's elements settling down in a feeling of warm contentment and satisfaction, getting rooted in national pride and sentiment, settling overall present here. Well, it's interesting to note that even though this event is a regular feature every year, each time we watch it, there is a special kind of novelty to these celebrations. And though the parade at Kartavya Path in New Delhi concludes, the celebrations do not end. As Indians, we have so much to celebrate. A solid, inclusive, and deeply valued constitution that guides our journey as a republic. An aspirational
Response, maritime security, anti-piracy and assistance to fishermen at sea. And now the next formation, Arjun formation. Formation comprising one C-130J Super Hercules aircraft and two C-295 aircraft, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force.
दो C-295 विमान एशॉन में C-130J एयरक्राफ्ट के साथ, और इस फॉर्मेशन का नाम अर्जुन फॉर्मेशन मार्शल ऑफ द एयरफोर्स अर्जुन सिंह के नाम पर रखा गया है। नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन अंकित राज सिंह कर रहे हैं। C-295 में विंग कमांडर सौरभ सिंह और विंग कमांडर C.P. रेड्डी।
And now the Varuna formation comprising one P-8I aircraft of the Indian Navy and two Sukhoi 30 MKI of the Indian Air Force. The Sukhoi 30 air dominance fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The P-8I is a long-range maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine warfare aircraft equipped with the state-of-the-art sensors and weaponry, including indigenous equipment, making it the most potent maritime platform. The aircraft undertakes wide range of missions. The formation today led by Commander Ruchit Kaur, flying the P-8I, and the Sukhoi 30 flown by Group Captain Manoj Yadav and Wing Commander Parvinder Singh Chahal. P-8I airborne today from Air Force Station Jaisalmer, while the Sukhois have got airborne from Air Force Station Jodhpur. This formation is flying at a speed of 555 kilometers per hour. Formation led by Commander Ruchit Kaur.
एक के बाद एक विमान हवा में उड़ान भरते हुए, आसमान को चीरते हुए भारतीय वायुसेना
The nation extends a heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency.
शानदार और भव्य समापन गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह का आकाश में रंग बिरंगे गुब्बारे और संविधान के लोगो वाले बैनर्स ऊंचाइयों को छूते हुए संविधान के 75 वर्ष पूरे होने की भावना जीवंत और साकार होती हुई।
Hundreds of balloons in the colors of the national flag rising in the sky, a beautiful blue winter sky welcoming them in its warm embrace, this symbolic rising of the aspirations of a people who have always believed in the existence of a higher calling. This year, the release of these balloons also commemorating 75 years of the Indian Constitution, a constitution that keeps us anchored and grounded as we spread our wings to follow our dreams. And as we participate in celebrating all the sights and the signs and symbols that unite us, days like today remind us that we are not just individuals, but a comity of nations, a larger collective. The President, along with our chief guest, having seen some beautiful moments, captured memories, a warm reinforcement of the camaraderie and coming together of values that give these two democracies and republics their meaning.
भारतीय सेनाओं की सर्वोच्च कमांडर देश की राष्ट्रपति माननीय श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू और इस वर्ष के गणतंत्र दिवस के मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो के साथ परंपरागत बग्घी में कुछ ही समय के उपरांत प्रस्थान करेंगी राष्ट्रपति भवन की ओर। उन्हें विधिवत विदाई दी जा रही है। रक्षा सचिव श्री राजेश कुमार सिंह, रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह, रक्षा राज्य मंत्री श्री संजय सेठ, चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ जनरल अनिल चौहान, थल सेना अध्यक्ष जनरल उपेंद्र द्विवेदी, नौसेना अध्यक्ष एडमिरल दिनेश कुमार त्रिपाठी और वायुसेना अध्यक्ष एयर चीफ मार्शल अमरप्रीत सिंह के द्वारा प्रेसिडेंट बॉडीगार्ड लाइंड अप।